What's up guys, it's Jesse from the Power of Adventure, and today we're checking out a massive off-grid upgrade in a 27-foot Globetrotter Airstream. Let's check it out. So this customer wanted a rather robust off-grid electrical system. The goal was for long-term travel without any external power sources like shore power or a generator. We have 1600 watts of solar on the roof, two 24-volt, 230 amp hour lithium batteries. The Victron equipment we installed was a 24-volt Multi+2, an MPPT 150/60 solar controller, a 50 amp DC to DC alternator charger, a Servo GX for system monitoring, a 24 to 12 volt converter, and a Lynx distributor for fused distribution. We decided to install the lithium battery bank in the lounge area. Let's remove the cushions and the covers and see what we're working with. We chose to use two of the 24 volt Epoch Elite batteries for a total capacity of over 11 kilowatts of lithium storage. All the equipment has been properly programmed and our Victron solar controller is keeping the batteries perfectly charged. Let's talk about the solar panels. Obviously, on an Airstream, we have a curved roof that we have to accommodate. We designed a custom solar rack comprising of aluminum unistrut and solar roof rail, and this will tie into the structural members of the Airstream, making it super solid. For this design, we chose 8 200-watt rich solar panels, and on a sunny day, you can expect an array of this size to charge the battery from 50% to 100% in about 4 hours. We decided to install the Multi+ in the closet to provide the best heat dissipation possible. The Multi+ can create a considerable amount of heat and can actually become problematic in the summer. For that reason, we also added a thermostatically controlled cooling fan to move hot air out of the RV. Lastly, we installed two types of DC to DC chargers, a 24 to 12 volt converter that takes our 24 volt lithium voltage and creates a 12 volt power for our house DC system, and another 50 amp DC to DC charger that uses the towing vehicle's alternator to safely and effectively charge the lithium battery bank. This RV is officially ready for some long-term off-grid travel. If you think that any of our services could be of use to you, you can find us at powerofadventure.us. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.